माय यूट्यूब फॅमिली कशी आहे तुम्ही सगळी जेली हायली पिली निदोली उठवली कित कोताई अजून देखून निधो नाही उठाय 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 आवेला तुमचो मोगाचो मारियो
call upon my friend Alvin Silva. Come here. Okay. Pale Swatir, Soglang. Dev this give. Good morning to everybody. May God bless everyone. Pale Swatir, Soglang. Dev bara guru म्हणता जे सगळी आमच्या डान्सा केल्या त्यांका आणि this dance would have never been completed without the captain of this ship is Mr. Augusto de Silva. Let us all clap for Augusto de Silva. Under his leadership, सगळ्यांनी त्याचे काम करतात. Everybody आमच्या गावचे भुरगे सगळ्यांनी काम केला अंदा घाण मारून. So आणि एक पाठी देव बरे करू म्हणता without wasting your time under the leadership of Augusto de Silva. सगळ्यांक देव बरे करू म्हणता and thank you Augusto de Silva. Thank you.
हे गाइस हम पावले आता सद्या हिंगा मिस बीन झाले. ओके मिस जावन आमी आतां आमी गेलो हेंगायला डान्साचो माटो सगळीं आतां वयतलीं भितर. सो सगळे पॅक आहा. सो तेका ती टिकेट्स आहाय आनी मेंबर्स पास दिलो आहाय. सो ही एंट्री तेंगेली आहे सद्या ही एंट्री. Hey Baba, good good. So this sitting area, beautiful. Augusta, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, 41 is done.
Sir, Merry Christmas. किसान झालं Hey Raymond, Merry Christmas. Bar counter, okay. Hey, bar or snacks, same I think. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. कोण काळे काळे Merry Christmas. ते स्नॅक्स घ्यायला आहे का आज. Merry Christmas. So in coupons के बाजे Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Mom, Merry Christmas. So in आखी तेंगेली seating area, full seating area. So ते numbers दिलो है seating area. Patrick, Merry Christmas. चल ही आमगेली सद्या आतां स्टेज आसतली ही का. ओके आनी हें बँड आख्खी फूल बँडांगेली स्टेज. सद्या एम्प्टी आहा फ्लोर. मागीर चोया कसो संवार जाता तो.
नातालाची उन्नत पोरबी. Welcome you all. Let us have a wonderful time and a great Christmas ahead. Here we go. Let's spread the message of love, togetherness. The best way to spread that love is to be on the dance floor and dance along with your loved one. Here we go. Let's start it off with the big country band. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. welcome which already pulled a couple on the dance floor. They didn't need music at all. They love dancing. We want to in front, please. Come on, let's make some noise for them. Come on, everybody. They were the first couple on the dance floor, and I would request the president of Club of Nossa Senhora, those Lutz, Mr. Augusto de Silva, to kindly come forward, please, and reward the first couple. I'm sure they came here to dance all evening. Let's clap for them a little louder. Come on, everybody. Francis and Connie have promised me they'll dance all evening long. I'll get a prize for them. And all the couples that are still sitting down, well, the first song has made the dance floor full. I'm sure this is going to be overcrowded now, but they are going to be rewarded and they're going to get the prize and come to dance back. Please clap for them once again, and all the couples around who are dancing. If you're sitting down and are missing out on some great dancing, here we go. Dancing time, everybody. The big country band. Let's make it bigger. Come on, here we go. Glittering Night 2024. Senora, those Lutz to kindly escort the Honorable Emily of Valley Constituency to kindly give her the prize for our winners. Nashville and Jaslyn are our winners, and yeah. Baba, come here. Angaya, come in front. Yes, they say that when you win prizes, age is never a bar. Can we all clap for them? Come on, everybody, please clap. That is what the big country band can do. They make everybody dance. Requesting everybody, I'm sure you all have been busy preparing the Christmas pie, the Christmas cake, the Neurula Convola. Right now, let's meet, greet, most importantly, dance. Thank you so much, the Honorable MLA, sir, and Merry Christmas to you as well. And ladies and gentlemen, dancing time. Here we go, the big country band for you all. Thank you so much.
dance floor. Everybody's hiding out. And if you ever saw it, you would say no. And on the other region, you still have a calling late. They never left you alone. You never bring your hand. And for Christmas Eve, you come to stay. You don't you're so right. Won't you got lost in the night? I'm on the other region, and it's out in our clean. You know the raptors ring you. You go down the rich door. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, fine is the riding of one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dancing through the snow,
Baby dance.
on silver thread. Oh, the wheels go, driving all the way. Down to the water's edge. Pure and bright. Oh, fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
You can come here and tell me, everybody knows Saint Nicholas, we call him Santa Claus. I want to know in which country was Saint Nicholas or Santa Claus born? In which country? Anybody? In which country was he born? Alright, that was a very good try. Wrong answer, Avinash. Alright, anybody else? Where is it? Oh, Israel, wrong answer, Baba. Anybody? Finland, very good, wrong answer, good try. Come on, give it a try. In which country? Not for the children, let the adults answer for once. Come on. Very good, this is what I was waiting for. Well, it's a part of Europe and a part of Asia. I was going to say, give you a hint. There's a bird named out of it. The country name is Turkey. Turkey is the right answer. If your hands are free, please clap for our winner. Come on, everybody. I think our claps could get louder. Thank you so very much. Requesting Sir Anthony De Silva to kindly come forward, please, and give a prize to our winner. If your hands are free, can we clap a little louder? Mashe mottya nami tadio mariya. Yo bare karo. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Any couple more than 31 years of marriage? Tisani ek orsa. Any couple more than that? Is there any couple more than 30? Okay, there's a couple coming here. Okay. Are 46 years of marriage? Wow. Any couple more than 46? Any couple more than 46? 4 वर्षां सगळ्या invitation आसतले. Alright, here we go. 46 years of marriage at the count of 1, at the count of 2, and at the count of 3. I think we have a winner, and can we all clap for our winner? Come on, everybody, our winners. Thank you so very much.
Lino and Kristalina.
Take a point, yeah. Okay.
Are very good.
Hey, 47 there.
There's a couple who is 47 years of marriage. Oh, we'll give 2 prizes, no problem at all.
Yes. Husband is there. No?
Are
Jerry, go re.
There are 2 prizes to be given. Huh? Okay, चौड़ा है
47.
47.
दिया 2 prize दिया. 2 prize.
47 years of marriage. I think we need to applaud for both the couples. Come on, everybody, please clap for both the couples. Lino and Kristalina are married for 46 years. Milagros and Dorothy are our winners, also who are married for 47 years. थोडेशे महिन्यांचे फरक आसा. There's no problem at all. It's just a matter of a few months.
And
Honorato De Silva, please come forward to give the prize for the other winners, please. Thank you so very much.
Come on.
I think we need to clap for 46 and 47 years of marriage. Come on. Mashe mottyan ami taadiyo mariya. Dev bare karu. Ask them a secret of a happy married life. They'll all say they love each other a lot and they fight in love with each other a lot. Come on, everybody. Thank you so very much. Dev bare karu. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the 5th edition of the members. We have the president who's going to address you all and I'm sure share all his love and happiness on this day. Make some noise for the president. Come on, everybody. Mr. August for this.
मॉर्निंग एव्हरीवन. आज हांगा देवाच्या कृपेन हाजीर आसतल्यांक देव बरो दीस हांव दिता. शेजाऱ्या लोटीस ह्या आमच्या आंबेलेच्या क्लबाच्या नांवान सगळ्यांक तुमकां शांतीची आनी कुशलकायेची नातालां हांव दिता. आयच्या दिसाक हो डान्स घडोवन हाडूंक आमच्या क्लबाच्या वांगडे आमकां जाय तो आदार तेंको आनी सवकात दिल्या खातीर आमी ताचे आभारी आनी दिनवासी. मिस्टर पॅट्रिक कॉन्स्टांटीन एंटनी आनी ताच्या सांगातांनी जाय तो तोकोस आनी भार घेवन हो दीस येसवून जावंक खूब वावरल्यात. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आमचे काळजांतले दिनवास आमच्या स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवा, विजेटी आर्ट्स, Budweiser, and special thanks to donors of our club members and also some of our Lady of Lourdes parishioners. हो डान्स घडोवन हाडूंक आमकां आदार दिल्या खातीर देवान तुमचेर आपलो आशिर्वाद घालूंक. आमचे खेरीत दिनवास आमकां दुडवांनी आनी हेराय वाटांनी जायतो आदार आनी सवकात दिलोल्यांक उदीक करूंक क्लबाच्या वांगड्यांक आनी आवर लेडी ऑफ लूड्स पॅरिशनरांक देवान तुमकां सगळ्यांक बऱ्या भलायकेन दवरचें. आनीक एक पाक जावन सगळ्यांक क्लबाच्या वांगड्यांक आनीक आयज ह्या डान्साक येवन आमचो समोर रगत करतल्यांक आमच्या भाव भयणीक देवान तुमकां कुशलकायेन आनी स्वतोसान ही नातालां भरूंक आमची मागणी. सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
जाता जाल्यार मातशें मोठ्यान आमी ताळयो मारया. Come on, everybody, put your hands together. I think it takes a lot of efforts to put up a dance, and 5 years is not a joke. Ladies and gentlemen, all we need you all to do is keep dancing, keep supporting this club with your presence every time on the dance floor. Patronize the bar, the snacks counter. Don't forget to meet, greet, and have a wonderful time. Well, this is the glittering night 2024. Well, to take you all over, transfer to the next level. Well, we have the very strong, our very own. They have been here many times in AMBELIM to make you all dance, to make you all clap, to make you all applaud, and most importantly, to have a wonderful time. Spread the message of love. They say, bend wagon. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's dancing time for everybody. Thank you so very much.
Just one man. Your house baptized, and he'll have the times doing things that you don't understand. But if you got this business,
Tivoli, oh I Embaixo está o Tivoli, oh lomo Juntaron son dois na esquina Contaron con Santina a dançar solidão Juntaron son dois na esquina Contaron con Santina a dançar solidão Madre mia, madre Encontrar tua pequena Amore, tu sabe correr No tengo farsa morena
In the Mexican style, come on. Sound nice. Everybody, don't be okay.
Alright, left, good Left, right,
Come on. Twirl and go down. Come on.
ladies and gentlemen Turn around That's right
Let's go. Come on.
Left, right, good Alright, left, right
Just under the bed.
Everybody
All right. Sogli आमचे गोंयकार. Are you ready? I cannot hear you all. Are you ready? All the goinkars, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen It's time to set the floor on fire
Here we go. Galia uso. Come on. Here we go. Pull it. Come on, AMBELIM. Let's go for it. Sing along with the band.
Indo con Shazara Wata Gazara Alberghetino Sakeli una regara Enna con Shazara Wata Gazara Lugri amchi patlan baba wita dagara Atuan baba vargaro me sogle aste Andru me rugana sangiran sumatele Ulan sudan me ulan sogle zortele
Let's break free now. Sogli going down.
me. Yo baile yo, solo magazine poilom, solo magazine zara tuzo, portolo tolo, I'm louder. Yo baile yo.
I wish. Louder than that. Yo. Sing it. That's right. बुर्गा मार पड़ोला सर रे. Let's go. Well, I think Avinash really got it well. The children were singing the loudest, the web though. I think they were fantastic. Till then, there's a sport prize going out. This one goes out to a gentleman.
Oh
good? I say, are you having a good time? Then sing along with me. Hey-oh. 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 All right. This next one is a very famous one from our very own motherland singer, ladies and gentlemen. And it goes this way. Oh Maria Pitanche, Maria Pitanche, Maria Pitanche, oh Maria Pitanche, Maria Pitanche, oh Maria Pitanche, oh Maria Pitanche, oh Maria Pitanche. Remo Fernandez, we all are. Maya Melody, es pretty complete. Maya Melody, es pretty complete. Allegra enter the young melody, there is the design. Allegra enter the young melody, there is the design. Come on! Ramada, why melody, nothing is all on. Ramada, why melody, nothing is all on. But there is a young melody, I was alone. There is a young melody, I was alone. Oh Maria Pitanche, 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 oh Maria Pitanche. Rapariga fai melody, nas por nascer. Rapariga fai melody, nas por nascer. Como da pena fai melody, nas por comer. Como da pena fai melody, nas por comer. Ai Lucy, Lucy, me Lucy, no Lucy, no ciao. Ai Lucy, Lucy, me Lucy, no cuspi, no ciao. Cuspi no bateria, me Lucy, rega e coração. Cuspi no bateria, me Lucy, rega e coração. Oh Maria Pitanche, 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 oh Maria Pitanche. Here we go. These are the ones that are coming hot. Feelings while you are gonna be doing that. Give me yourself with me, I'm so good. You do it for now and you know it. 'Cause I love you, so this one's always gonna be so together we have to sit back, 1, 2, Maria Pitanche, oh Maria Pitanche, oh Maria Pitanche, oh Maria Pitanche. Sing along. Oh Maria Pitanche, 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 Maria Pitanche, Maria Pitanche. Are you enjoying? Ladies and gentlemen, sing with me. Whoa, 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 Maria Pitanche. All right, are you tired? Before you leave from here, you have to be tired. Come on. Keep the hand. Wait. Sing along, everybody. That's why I was born in a plane. I was said that everyone know my name. I'm the best you ever had. Everything I'm running out of. Come on, let's do it now. Put it up on the back. We up. Everybody on the front. We up. I'm on the fire. Let's take it now for your war. Everybody, let's sing. I see that there are some people right there who follow the steps a little bit. Hold on, let me come down a little bit.
Well, can you sing voice share? There's no problem.
I see a couple of people over there in the crowd who don't know the steps. And I see these two beautiful ladies on the floor. If you could please join us over here, please. Come on. Right. We'll take it from the top. These ladies are going to show you how to do it. Especially the people on the left. Are you ready? I said people on the left. Are you ready? Take it from the top, ladies and gentlemen. You ready? You ready?
Here we go, come on!
Chill out, how me everybody. When I sing, oh Lord, oh Lord. You got to teach Mr. Tweety how to get that swing, oh Lord, oh Lord. When the sun beats in your left pocket, 5 cents in your right, 10 cents in your back pocket, simply out of sight and around. I don't need your waist, thinking all of now how. If you want to learn, you'll show it to the They say they don't like the pace, be moving too slow. So she walked up to me with hands up, ready to talk. What's up? When more gonna get so angry, then stop the grind. She said, "Oh boy, munching, bring me big money or wine." Hands up. Thank you so much to the beautiful ladies on the floor.
Let's go for it, come on! Let's feel! Let's feel now, come on!
Hey, Shapaya, go to one, Shapaya. Hands up, hey, Shapaya. Go to one, Shapaya. Hands up, hey, Shapaya. Go to one, Shapaya. Hands up, hey, Shapaya.
1, 2, 3, 4!
To the left one time. Well, bring it low. To the step to the right. To the left one time. Take it low. Step to the right. To the left one time. Come on. Alright, let's see how many of you know this one. It's a very simple one, it goes this way.
ह्यो बोर कोरमुट तुमकां सगळ्या मोग आसूं आनी आमी सगळीं एकवटान रावया.